I love cats. I love every kind of cat. I just wanna hug all of them, but I can't hug every cat. Can't hug every cat. So anyway, I am a cat lover, and I let you know. I'm sorry, I'm thinking about cats again. I really love cats.